All about the walrus. Walruses are large marine animals. They are members of the animal group called the pinnipeds. This group includes seals and sea lions. There are two types of walruses, the Pacific walrus and the Atlantic walrus. Both of these walruses only live in the freezing ocean waters of the Arctic. Walruses have large bodies. The male walrus can weigh up to 3,700 pounds and is 9 to 12 feet long. The female walrus is small but weighs about 2,000 pounds and can be 7 to 10 feet long. Kind of pinkish. Walruses usually have cinnamon brown skin. However, in warmer weather, their skin looks a little pinkish. They might also look white if they stay in the water for a long time. The skin of a walrus is really thick. It has many wrinkles, folds, and is covered in a layer of short, rough hairs. Male walruses grow lumps known as bosses on their necks and shoulders. You see there? Those are bosses. Walruses have two front flippers and one in the back. On land, they use their front two flippers like legs for walking. In the ocean, they steer their front flippers and use their back flippers to propel their bodies through the water. How to keep warm. Walruses spend a large part of their lives living in water with temperatures below freezing. They are able to withstand the cold because of how well they are insulated. Under their skin, they have a thick layer of fat called blubber. That keeps them warm. Walruses need air to breathe. They can stay underwater for up to 30 minutes before they have to resurface. Another way a walrus keeps warm is by conserving heat in its blood. When a walrus enters the water, its body moves blood away from the skin so that heat is not lost. This makes a walrus that has been in cold water a long time look white. Isn't that amazing? They actually have adapted to move their blood away from their skin. It's incredible. Did you know? Many people don't realize that the walrus molts. This occurs between June and August when the walrus no longer needs its winter coat. What is molting, you might ask? Well, molting is the shedding of hair. It is done during warmer weather and is replaced once the weather turns cold again. Walrus tusks are made from ivory and are actually teeth that have grown super long. Their tusks will continue to grow their whole lives. They actually use their tusks to help pull their huge bodies onto floating ice. When a walrus is swimming under a large sheet of ice, it can use its tusks to break through the ice to make a breathing hole. And then during mating season, male walruses use their tusks to fight over other males for female. Sometimes a walrus needs to rest while swimming, so they will hook their tusks onto some ice to hold their heads out of water. Wow, those must be some pretty strong teeth. I don't think I could hold on to a big chunk of ice with my teeth. A walrus has whiskers. These whiskers are called vibrissae. They're kind of a mustache, and I think they're so cute. These whiskers are not like normal hairs. They are very sensitive and help the walrus find food at the bottom of the ocean. They're almost alive. Growing up to 15 rows, a walrus mustache may have as many as 700 bristles. What's on the menu? Walruses usually search for food in water that is no deeper than 160 feet. Let's see. If I was a walrus, this is what I would eat. Clams, mussels, snails, worms, starfish, and sea urchins. An adult walrus can eat a huge amount of food in a day. In fact, they may eat up to 6,000 clams in one meal. Wow, that is a lot of clams. Walruses are very social animals and they like to hang out together. When walruses are not in the water, they rest on ice or land, and this is known as hauling out. Sometimes thousands of walruses may haul out in one place. It's kind of how we like hang out, right? During mating season, a group of females, up to 20, will gather on the ice. The men will have to win them over by singing, ah, whistling, clucking, and fighting. A female is pregnant for about 10 or 11 months, and in the spring, she has her baby. She usually does this alone and delivers the baby right on the ice. Brrr! Female walruses are very protective of their babies and form a strong bond. The baby will nurse from its mother for up to 2 years. Baby walruses can swim as soon as they are born. Did you know one of the most amazing things about the walrus is that it can sleep while swimming? This is possible due to air sacs that are located in its neck. How does it work? These sacs inflate and act like swimmies or water wings, like you might wear at the pool. That is fascinating. Walruses are amazing. I hope you learned a lot.